TVS Motor Company has discontinued the Vigo scooter in India. The TVS Vigo was first launched in 2010 as a rival to the Honda Activa. As a scooter, it was quite rich in features. It had a 12-inch front wheel, telescopic forks up front. When introduced as a BS4 model, it also got a USB port on offer. The last time the TVS Vigo got an update was in 2018, where it got new graphics design, new color schemes, and a few added features as well. The scooter also got a new seat along with the pass-by switch and a maintenance-free battery. Over the years, sales of the TVS Vigo had declined and the Jupiter became a more popular scooter in TVS's stable. Acknowledging the efforts of our police forces who have been fighting the coronavirus crisis on the front lines, MG Motor India has decided to offer its service workshops to sanitize their vehicles. Post the end of the ongoing lockdown, police teams can take their patrolling vehicles, irrespective of its brand, make or model, to an authorized MG service workshop and get them completely sanitized. The service will be provided to the police force free of cost. Additionally, MG Motor has also donated ventilators and distributed health and hygiene kits, PPE kits, surgical masks, gloves, sanitizers, sanitizer sprays, food and ration kits to combat the coronavirus threat. The Maruti Suzuki Ertiga has been silently updated with the company's new Smart Play Studio infotainment system featuring a 7-inch infotainment display. The updated system continues to come with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as MirrorLink, Bluetooth, aux and USB connectivity options. However, it loses out on inbuilt navigation with preloaded maps that was offered on the previous version. Instead, the new Smart Play Studio offers navigation supported by the smartphone connected to the system. The 2020 Maruti Suzuki Ertiga has also dropped the 1.5-litre diesel engine that was offered before the BS6 deadline came into play. Currently, the MPV is petrol only and powered by the tried and tested 1.5-litre BS6 engine that is paired with the SHVS Smart Hybrid system from the company.
We've had 15 years of sheer leadership, bringing you the very best of the world of wheels. If you like the best, subscribe to our channel.